Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Allan Wade back again with another video. If it's your first time here, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Guys, today we are going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Dean bag. This bag, I think, is one of the more sought after bags because it's occasionally, quite frequently actually, sold out on the website. As a matter of fact, when I first found this bag on the website and wanted one, I couldn't order because it was sold out. So I signed up for the notification squad and I was notified as soon as one was available. As a matter of fact, I was sleeping. I woke up out of my sleep and I purchased it because I didn't want it to be sold out by the time the morning came. So I got mine and I want to share it with you guys. First, let me say it came in a box. And inside the box was this box, and Louis Vuitton has a nice presentation. This was sitting on top of the box like this, and what it is I guess some information. Louis Vuitton, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. This product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials. Yeah, okay. Returns and exchanges. Slip, Louis Vuitton thing, and my packing slip, and that's it for inside of here. I also got a receipt in the mail. So yeah, nice little Louis Vuitton packaging right there, a little Louis Vuitton envelope. So let's take a look at around the box, guys. So this is the box right here. Looks good. Just a look around the box. So it's kind of like, I like it. It has a little insignia right here at the bottom. What does that say? That says packaging made in Vietnam. Interesting. And it has the recycling logo at the bottom. But this is a nice box. Nice box. Nice handle. I like it. I think it's dope. So let us open this up and see what's inside. And this is magnetic. It's magnetic. So let's check that out. Check that out. Okay, so here we go. So we got our Louis Vuitton pouch bag thing right here. This box is pretty interesting. All right, so we're gonna take the bag out of here. Whoa, look at that. Wait a minute for a second here. Let's look at this packaging. This is pretty decent. The box is pretty fascinating. Forget the box, right? Forget the box. Let's get to the bag. But look, the box totally folds out to be flat. I think that is so interesting. I think that's so interesting. Sorry, guys. Little stuff to get me. All right, so let me fold this back, open this back up, and put it away for a second, guys, because I want to keep my box, my Louis Vuitton box. All right, put this away. And here we have our bag. So you get a nice Louis Vuitton bag right here. Has some blue handles on it. Kind of like the Gucci has, but this one is more, I think this bag is more durable than the silk bag. So here it is, guys, the Dean bag. Let's check it out. This is the Dean bag by Louis Vuitton. The Dean bag. All right, so when I found this bag online, right, I was originally looking for a Josh bag, but the Josh bag was a little too small for my liking because I want to be able to put my laptop in these bags when I'm traveling. And the Josh bag I found was just going to be too small. Let's look around this bag right here while we got it open. All right, so you got the top of the bag. The leather feels, to be honest with you, I was thinking that it would feel a little bit more durable than this. It feels kind of soft durable. This leather right here feels durable, but this right here feels, for the money, I was thinking that it was going to feel a little bit more durable, to be honest with you guys. But overall, always wanted one of these. Now I have it. You got the Louis Vuitton print on the back of the pouch area. It's very soft right here. And let's take off these. This leather is very soft. You got Louis Vuitton written on the buckle. Nice, very nice finish, and very nice finish on the edges, like all the designer bags have. That's how you know if you got a good bag. I'm starting to learn there's little small nuances, little small details like this that you know that you have a good bag. This leather on the around the arm is very, very soft, and inside of it you have the padding that's located on the back right here. So that's very, very, very cool. All right, put this to the side. I like this, feels very strong, this part right here, the hook, if you will. All right, let's open up the first pouch and see and check it out. All right, this pouch right here, your basic small pouch. This is actually a nice large size. Actually, it's not small at all, but this is definitely going to make a statement when you walk through the airport or when you walk through the train or wherever you're going. Louis Vuitton Paris with the R logo right there at the top. I love this, the classic print bag that I wanted. I love it. Got the LVs on the zippers. Very, very dope. LV on all these zippers right here. All right. Let's open up the bag itself and see what's inside. All right, so we got one big pouch right here, a good pencil holder pouch, and the main compartment of the bag right there. Big pouch, the main compartment. And you got another pouch right here that is not quite big enough for a laptop. So once again, your laptop is going to have to just sit at the bottom right here. Gonna have to sit at the bottom. Now, this bag right here is, I ordered it online, and after taxes and everything, it's gonna set you back about $2,300. So if you want this bag, you're gonna have to pay about $2,300. And once again, I'm gonna advise you guys, do not go and purchase this bag or anything like this if you have to put it on a credit card, can't afford to pay for it, if you haven't invested already in VTSAX or bought your Tesla stock or bought your Apple stock or bought your Amazon stock or bought your Delta stock. This would not be a good purchase for you, but if you've always wanted one like me, and you can finally are in a position that you can afford it comfortably and you can pay for it 3 times over, then I would advise you, it's okay to get one. Then it's safe. Just zippers feel very durable. They make a lot of noise, but they feel very durable. Very good zippers. And this bag is just a nice, beautiful piece right here. This bag, though, to be honest with you, it makes me feel like I have to be careful when I'm wearing it that I don't get it snagged on anything. Like these little loop things right here, you don't want to get them snagged on anything, because when you do, it makes me feel like that it's gonna break through and something is going to start showing, and it's gonna start showing the imperfections. So I'm interested to see how this bag wears over time. Again, this part right here, I definitely don't want to get snagged on anything and rip any of that off. So I'm gonna be careful what I wear with this bag, because I don't want anything to snag onto here, because these holes right here, the breathing holes for the back are very big. But overall, my laptop can fit in there perfectly. Space for other items like my charger. I can even put my laptop and my drone and a hard drive and everything I need can go in here. But one thing I'm noticing though, unlike the Gucci bag, this bag right here is not like reinforced with lining or anything. So depending on what you wear with it, or what you put in here rather, is gonna like shape the bag. It's gonna start stretching and stuff like that. And that's not a bad thing, because as bags start to wear, depending on what type of bag it is, they do start looking better with time, guys. So check this bag out. Let's look around. Let's check it out. I'm loving the classic LV print with the classic Louis Vuitton shapes and stuff like that. Here's the side of the bag. Looks very, very good, very, very rich. And this piece right here, this part right here is just awesome. I love how they put that in there. I wonder how they did that. Very, very interesting. Got your Louis Vuitton trim right here. I kind of wish a little bit that it had like the LVs going down here, kind of like the Gucci one has, or maybe even on one strap or the inside strap, so that because when you wear it over your shoulders, this part is going to show as you're walking forward. So I kind of wish it had some like Louis Vuitton right here or something like that. Maybe even if they would have did some Louis Vuitton LVs inside of the leather, that would have been cool. But overall it's cool. Looks good. And there's the other side right here with the LVs on the zippers. Looks very, very good, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Which bag is my favorite? Gonna get back to you on that one. We're gonna do a comparison videos between the Louis Vuitton and the Gucci bag. Let me know which you guys like. Which bag do you think is more desirable for you? Off the top of my head, I'm gonna say that the Gucci bag is a more attractive bag. This bag probably makes more of a statement. I'm not sure. This bag I'm gonna say is more of a mature bag than a Gucci bag. But I love both of them, to be honest with you guys. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like I said before, subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here, and if you've never seen this channel before, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the bag. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Allan Wade. Let me know what you guys think. Would you purchase this bag? Is this something that you always wanted? Excellent book bag to keep my laptop in, and I cannot wait to wear this out and about and see the reaction of people's faces, all right, as they notice my Louis Vuitton Dean bag, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's your boy Allan Wade, and I'm out. Peace.